Hello guys, welcome back to J Studio, and in this video we'll be doing comparison of two 160cc segment bikes, that is Unicorn 160 BS6 and X-Blade 160 BS6, and both these bikes comes from Honda. Yes, we know that Unicorn is a family based bike while this X-Blade is more targeted on youth. So let's do the comparison without wasting much time. Starting with the engine itself, both the bikes have the same engine, that is a 162.7cc 4-stroke single cylinder BS6 engine. But there is a difference in the power and torque. Here the X-Blade is more powerful than the Unicorn 160, that is a 13.8 PS of power at 8000 RPM, while the Unicorn have only 12.9 PS of power, which is at 7500 RPM. And also in torque, X-Blade is bit higher, that is a 14.7 Nm of torque at 5500 RPM, while in Unicorn we have a 14 Nm of torque at 5500 RPM. And both the bikes are single cylinder engine and having air cooling system and 2 valve per cylinder. Both the bike have kick and self start, and both these bike uses fuel injection fuel supply because in BS6 this is mandatory. Both the bikes have multi-plate wet clutch, and we have a 5-speed gearbox and having the gear transmission as similar in both the bikes. Coming to safety, both bikes have a single channel ABS on the front side and a rear disc or rear drum brake. In Unicorn 160 I think only drum brake is available, but in the X-Blade 160R now they have given a pedal back disc. Coming to the electronic section, the headlights are different because Unicorn have still a halogen headlight while the X-Blade have a LED headlight, and the brake light is also LED in X-Blade while it is still halogen in Unicorn 160, but the indicators are still halogen in both bikes. Coming to the console section, the Unicorn 160R still have an analog console, as you can see, but in case of X-Blade we have a completely digital console with a gear position indicator, so there X-Blade is much in the higher position. And one of the important addition to the BS6 variant of both this bike is the addition of an engine kill switch, which was missing in both the bikes, even in the Hornet 160R. So now Honda had added an engine kill switch to both these bikes. In terms of mileage, the Unicorn 160 will give much more mileage as compared to X-Blade because it is a very cool bike with less power as compared to X-Blade, but comparing with Unicorn, X-Blade is more aggressive in power, so a slight difference will be there in mileage as compared to Unicorn. Unicorn will give about 55 to 60 or even up to 65 of km of mileage, while this X-Blade will give about 40, 45 or even 50 km of mileage, and that depends on how you ride the bike. Both the bike uses the same chassis, that is a diamond type chassis, but the bikes are different because Unicorn is a commuter bike while the X-Blade is a sports naked bike. So they use the same chassis but they are different type of bikes. In terms of suspension, both the bike have a telescopic suspension on the front and rear monoshock adjustable suspension on the back. In terms of height, the X-Blade is 1115 mm in height while this Unicorn is 1103 mm in height. So the Unicorn is much smaller as compared to in height as compared to the X-Blade. Coming to the fuel tank capacity, the X-Blade have only 12 liter tank while the Unicorn have 13 liter tank. And in terms of ground clearance, X-Blade have only 160 mm of ground clearance while in Unicorn we get 187 mm of ground clearance, so it's better in Unicorn 160. And also the X-Blade is much more heavier than Unicorn 160 because it is 144 kg in X-Blade 160 while it is 140 kg in Unicorn 160. Coming to the tire section, we have an 80 by 100 on the front and a 130 by 70 on the back on X-Blade, while we have an 80 by 100 front and a 100 by 90 on the back on the Unicorn 160. So in terms of cornering, we can do better with the X-Blade 160R because it has got a 130 by 70 much more wider tire as compared to the 100 by 90 smaller tire in Unicorn 160. Both the bikes have tubeless tire and uses alloy rims. The front brake diameter is 276 mm in X-Blade 160R while it is just 240 mm in Unicorn 160. And the rear brake diameter is 220 mm in X-Blade while it is just 130 mm in Unicorn 160. So guys, thus we are coming to the end of this video. Now let's check the color options of these two bikes. The Unicorn is available in 3 different colors: the gray, black and red. In Exploit 160 we get a red one, then we get a blue, and we get a black, and then an extra one that is black with that orange design. So this much options are available with this Exploit 160 and Unicorn 160. So guys, now let's talk about the pricing of these two bikes. In Delhi, the ex-showroom price of Honda X-Blade is 1,10,968 rupees, and the on-road price in Delhi is about 1,28,749 rupees. In case of Unicorn, the ex-showroom price is 1,09,692. So guys, thus we are coming to the end of this video. A smart comparison on the two 160 segment bikes, that is Honda's Unicorn 160 and Exploit 160, both PS6 variant. So guys, if you find this video helpful and if you have any suggestions regarding these two bikes, which one of these is better to buy in 2020 or even 2021, if you have a chance, then please do add in the comment section below. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.